Hi everyone. Today let us discuss about global methane pledge. There was COP26 held at Glasgow. You may be knowing that. And in that COP26, COP means Conference of Parties. So in that COP26 at Glasgow, the member countries made global methane pledge. Okay, actually this is a joint agreement to slash the methane emission by 2030, and the countries will be reducing the methane emission by 30% as that of 2020 level. Okay, and they will be mainly focusing on industries. So that is what is they have pledged. They will be reducing the methane emission about 30% as that of 2020 level by 2030. This is what is the global methane pledge is. Although around 104 countries signed in this agreement, bigger countries like India, China, Russia didn't sign this agreement. Okay, the reason why India was reluctant to sign this agreement was rural India is mainly depending on agriculture and livestock. These are one of the important sources of methane production. If you are looking into the sources of methane production, we can see that one is wetland, then industries like oil and gas industries, then coal mining, agriculture, livestock, etc. Okay, so in this you can see that agriculture as well as livestock are an important source of methane production. And if we are looking at India's case, our rural population is mainly depending on agriculture. More than 50% of our rural India is depending on agriculture, and also we have a large amount of livestock in the country, which is mainly for milk production as well as for the meat production. Okay, so India can't sign this agreement as it will affect the rural India. And also we will have to see why they are giving more importance to methane. You will be knowing that in our atmosphere we have more carbon dioxide present than methane. But the point is that methane is more potent greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide. Even though methane will be staying less time in the atmosphere, it has double the capacity of carbon dioxide to increase the temperature. Okay, so that is why the world is mainly focusing on this methane, and if we are able to contain the methane production in the world, we will be able to reduce the global temperature. That is why all the countries are focusing on the reduction level of methane. Okay, so this is what is all about global methane pledge. That's all. Thank you.